Good afternoon, Mike Wilde here with Earl Johnston Roofing down in Hollywood, Florida. So our top favorite things about iRoofing. Number one's gonna be the ability to measure a roof on site, accurate measurements, and not having to wait for a measurement report to be emailed back to me. Second bonus is able to show customers what different types of roofing material would look like on their own home. And last of all, I can get samples ordered directly from the iRoofing app. iRoofing has helped the business with the ability to close more deals, be more efficient, getting estimates out, and satisfied customers at the end of the day.